Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your MacBook battery health and charge cycle. As we all know, MacBooks are known for their long battery life, but over time, the battery can deteriorate. In this guide, we'll show you how to check your MacBook's battery health and charge cycles so you can see whether your MacBook needs a battery replacement or not. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what battery capacity and charge cycle mean. Battery capacity refers to the maximum capacity of the battery relative to its original capacity. When you get a new MacBook, the battery capacity is 100%. However, as time passes, the battery will degrade, resulting in a lower maximum capacity. For example, if your MacBook is showing the maximum capacity of 95%, it means your MacBook's battery can hold 5% less charge than it was brand new. A battery charge cycle happens when you use 100% of your MacBook's battery. It doesn't have to happen in a single discharge cycle. For example, if you use 50% of your MacBook's battery today, charge it to 100% and then use another 50% charge tomorrow, it will count as one cycle. According to Apple, MacBooks are designed to retain 80% of their capacity at their maximum cycle count. For the latest MacBook Air and MacBook Pro models, the maximum charge cycle is 1000. This means that your MacBook's battery health should not be below 80% at 1000 charge cycles. Now that you understand these concepts, let's move on to checking your MacBook's maximum battery capacity. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your MacBook and open System Settings. Scroll down the left sidebar and click on the Battery menu. Now, click on the I button next to Battery Health. Here, you can see the maximum capacity of your MacBook's battery. Now you know how to check your MacBook's maximum battery capacity. But what about checking the charge cycle number? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Just follow the steps below. Click on the Apple logo again. Now, hold down the Option key to reveal the System Information option. Click on it to open System Information. Here, under the Hardware section, click on the Power menu item. You will find the cycle count under the Health Information heading. As you can see, my MacBook Pro's battery count is 119 and the battery is still at 100% capacity. So everything is good here. However, if you notice a discrepancy between your charge cycle and maximum capacity, it's recommended to contact Apple and get your Mac checked out. That's it for today's video on checking your MacBook battery health and charge cycle. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.